I just went to edit this video and realized I didn't do an intro. So, what's up? Today's video is gonna be on this basic look that I did today. I really just felt like sitting down and filming something because I haven't put anything on my channel since like August. And here we are into 2019 and it is March today, I think March 12th. Maybe 13th. Anyways, this is a pretty affordable look. Everything came from the drugstore. Most of it is Wet n Wild. I don't really wear makeup every day. I don't, like if you see me on a day-to-day basis, I be looking tail up, but I feel like the look turned out really good. I'm gonna list all the products in the order I use them down below and their prices. I do plan on posting more frequently, but we shall see. Enjoy. You may or may not see my child running back and forth through here. Here she comes. I've already washed my face, so I'm gonna just moisturize with the CeraVe moisturizing cream. So I moisturized, now I'm going to prime with, well, prime with like 3 different primers. I know, but I'm using this Wet n Wild Cucumber Primer Water. And my skin looks so clear on this camera, but it's not. Like, I've been picking at it like an idiot, and it doesn't look good. Now, I have these 2 primers that I want to try. So first we're gonna go in with the water drop. Oh. If you don't like the smell of cucumbers, you won't like this one. Next, I'm gonna use this Dewy face primer. That's very glowy. Yes, we're using a lot of Wet n Wild today because I snagged a lot of Wet n Wild stuff during the last sale at Walgreens, so that's what we're using. And now we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Cocoa. Going in with the Wet n Wild sponge. It is so cute. This one is damp. I'm gonna just blend out that foundation. Next, I'm going to first contour with Wet n Wild. MegaGlo makeup stick. This was in the shade Where's Walnut. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild, I call it a contouring brush. These brushes don't really have names. It's not clinging to a dry patch. Or then again, it might be a dry patch, but I have peach fuzz all over my face, so I used something to get that off and it burned me. So that's what it's clinging to, that burn. Next, we're gonna take our Wet n Wild concealer, and this one is in medium deep tan. Go back in once again with the Wet n Wild sponge and blend this out. That is really looking good. All right, moving on. I think this is just gonna turn into a full face using Wet n Wild stuff, because next we're gonna set the concealer with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana. We're gonna dip that flat side of that sponge in there. Tap off that excess powder. I don't bake, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Now we're gonna bronze up a little bit. e.l.f. contour kit in Deep. I'm gonna prime my eyes with the concealer, just a little bit of it. For eyes, I'm just gonna take my Glamour Squad palette, blending brush from Wet n Wild, that transition shade up top. Next, I'm gonna take my finger and go into this little highlight shade right here. Giving you Jordan Woods vibes. The primer water. And another Wet n Wild brush. I'm gonna go into this e.l.f. highlight right here just to keep it drugstore. We're just gonna top it off with a gloss and call it a day. Forgot to do mascara. Okay, one sec. I'm kind of feeling it. And I think that everything looks good, especially since it came from the drugstore. Wet n Wild is a very affordable brand. The foundation was the most expensive product besides the brushes. And I get these every holiday. Look out for the Wet n Wild brush sets, because these brushes are durable. I bought the set last year, and I also got the set, I got the set in 2017 and 2018, and both of the sets are durable. Like, I use them every day anytime I do my makeup. I'm digging it. What do y'all think? So thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.